Dear little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful birthday cake. Here I am drawing the candles and then I will draw the birthday cake. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will learn you to draw birthday cake with very easy way. I complete to draw the birthday cake. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful birthday cake. First one I'm using the deep blue color for the candles. And now I'm using the red color for the fire. Let's use the yellow color. I'm again using the red color for all the hearts. Now I'm using the light blue color for the upper part of this beautiful cake. Here I am using the light green color. Now I am using the deep pink brush pen color because there is no deep pink color in watercolor. And the last one I'm using the brown color, which is chocolate color, for the last part of this beautiful cake. Wow, the cake is looking so beautiful. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!